We guarantee that our outdoor gears will be lighter and more powerful. Introduction, Helio, the best outdoor lantern ever. It is lighter, more compact, more energy efficient, and brighter. With only 1/5 the size of traditional camping lantern, Helio can be easily pocketed and even carried around on a key ring. Weighing only 45 grams, it can be put into your backpack without increasing any burden carry weight to you. Helio is the world's lightest and most powerful camping light. You can connect Helio to any USB port. It can be charged by any power bank, portable charger, or laptop, and it also can be used independently. It just takes 20 minutes to be fully charged and lasts over 6 hours of each time. Normally, small camping lanterns are not bright enough, but Helio can reach 200 lumens, which is twice brightness of general camping lanterns that you can find in the market. Manufactured with IPX45 waterproof standard, Helio allows you to stand up to rain or water splashing. Don't worry about weather conditions anymore. Helio is the most practical camping lanterns ever designed. Its stylish design with a hanging hook and magnet on the back allow you to attach Helio to any steel or iron surface. Also, hang it from almost anywhere at places to light. Also, you can have all this just in the palm of your hand. Helio is perfectly used for outdoor adventure camping, hanging and lighting in your tent. Be used as a powerful flashlight when running, hiking, and climbing mountains. Make your bike riding safer and more enjoyable. With the magnet in its back, it can be mounted to any iron parts of your vehicle. Leave your hand free to examine or repair. It is the ultimate car repair flashlight. Every member of our team is devoted to be true outdoor enthusiasts to enjoy exciting experience of closely contact with nature. In June 2016, we launched our first crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo to crowdfund our first product, Max Pump, and we made a great success. Over $19,000 was raised by 5,000 backers within 60 days. Our team has recently released its first generation of outdoor camping light, Helio. We have completed the design. We will start production and release on the Kickstarter for the whole world outdoor enthusiasts.